Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, March 1st, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, looking at the market here today, the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading higher by about 12 and 3/4 points to 1942 and a quarter per contract. Futures actually were even a little bit higher than that, but they have tailed off a little bit. Not a big deal. We'll see how this market plays out. But either way, you did have some weak economic data out of China last night. Market seems to be shrugging that off. Actually, China was actually positive last night, although falling about 9% in the last 2 days. So we'll see how this all shakes out today in the S&P 500 and the U.S. markets. But there are some stocks in the news to go over. First one we're going to take a look at is going to be AutoZone. AutoZone right now trading at $7.85 per share. Did spike higher initially. This is on earnings. Again, I think AutoZone is very overbought here at these levels. Not to say that it can't go back up to 800. It could. That would be a double top from last year, last November. But either way, it is overbought on a daily chart, and that's what traders should remember. Remember, AutoZone is a thinner stock, meaning it rarely trades 1 million shares a day, generally trades less than 500,000, and it's a high-price name. So there's always a big spread between the bid and the ask. But either way, right now the stock is trading at $7.85. We'll watch this one once the opening bell rings. If we see something significant, we'll play it along those lines. Let's take a look at DLTR. This is one that I think can be traded today. Stock closed at $80.25. It's trading at $76.75. Did trade briefly below 75. I'm going to have gap levels for this. They will be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9. So traders that want to come on over, trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing. We're having a great 2016, and all in all, this will be in play. So Dollar Tree, after earnings, falling a bit, closed at 80 and a quarter yesterday. Now trading at 76.65 a share, and again, that will be on our radar once the opening bell rings today. Next one up is going to be Medtronic. MDT is the ticker symbol here. And what you'll see here is this stock is getting hit pretty sharply. Closed at $77.39, trading at $74.52 right now. I will have levels posted up in the intraday stock chat room for this one as well. They'll be posted up right at 9 a.m. So again, if you want to trade Medtronic alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You get our levels there before the market even opens. You know what your trade is going to be. So again, Medtronic is on the radar, and it will be in play today. Next up, we're going to take a look at a company called JD.com. Ticker symbol is JD. Let's punch that in there. There we go. Right now, the stock is trading at $26.64. Did trade above $27. It closed at $25.71. So nice little pop for JD. It really needs to get through $28.25. If it could do that on an hourly chart basis, this could be a stock that could be a runner. But again, 28 is like a wall right now, so you got to be careful of that level, and we'll see how that plays out. Next on my list is going to be BHP Billiton. This is catching a bid today. The stock has just been absolutely annihilated over the last few months. But nonetheless, it is upticking today, trading at $23.72. Closed at $22.61, so that's a pretty good little pop. Stock has resistance at $24.75, which is another dollar higher from where it is right now. So again, watch that level, $24.75, if it does get up there. Rio Tinto is trading higher it's in the same class or same group, metals and mining. You're going to see this is trading at $27.30, closed at $26.10. So nice pop there. No levels to the upside that I'm seeing. There's still a ton of resistance in play, but something we'll keep a lookout for once the opening bell rings today. Another one on my list here is going to be WYNN Resorts. Seen a decent little pop here. Stock closed at $82.48. It's now trading at $84.64. So good little uptick here before the opening bell. I think traders still got to be a little bit careful here with all of the casino names. They are downtrending on every time frame, which tells me all of these pops that we're seeing are just minor counter trend bounces. So again, right now WYNN Resorts, good little pop. A lot of resistance though coming into play around the $85.75 to $86 area. So we'll see if it could get up there, but there should be a ton of resistance at that point in time. We do have gold futures up another $10 today. So gold futures right now are trading at $1,244.20. Another big move. Crude oil is also on the move, up 53 cents. Crude oil right now is trading at $34.28. Something that we saw yesterday afternoon, which I think is worth mentioning, is that the market sold off even with crude oil being strong. And we haven't seen anything like that in quite a while. So we'll see how this all plays out and shakes out. Right now, the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading up by $13.50 to $19.43 per contract. So this is going to be quite a day. And again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we're doing. We had another banner day yesterday. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.